Guys, dito na kami banda. Bakit dalang-dala natin yung ano na?
Gasa mo ma'am, tungkol sa Sambuanga ni.
Sambuanga.
Welcome to my vlog.
Taga-saan daw tayo? So we are from Sambuanga, guys. So dito kami ngayon sa Boracay. And with our
Watch Club.
we have an adventure and celebrate to the birthday of Bishi for tomorrow. Yes, and the birthday celebrant, as you can see, guys, at the back.
No, the boat is very big.
Wow, we really love you. Bishi, naipatanong talaga nila kung taga saan tayo.
Narinig kasi nila yung kanina nagbisaya tayo.
Bishi, ano kasi,
Sino pala yun?
hindi kasi akalain nila sinong mga turista to. Kasi papalit-palit ng mga outfit, guys. Ay, naku, guys. So, yun, as you can see. And here, guys. Like that. Okay. Kami, guys. Oh, nakita nyo, guys. Very creative talaga yung mga design nila dito. Oh. Stone, guys. And then we have a glass window. That's very unique, guys. Unique talaga. Oh. Yes. Very unique, guys. Yun. One update natin, guys. Wow, dito iba na naman, guys. Oh. Guys, kita. That's very creatable talaga and unique. So, pangalawang beses na po namin dito sa Boracay, guys. Pero ngayon lang kami naka-experience din dito ng ganito, guys. Ayan. Oh. Ayan ang mga tao, guys. Beach. Very amazing talaga, guys. Ma-amaze ka talaga.
Hello, guys.
Oh, guys, a day in the life as a single mom na abot sa Boracay. Oh, Bishi. Yan. That's very creative. Mama
Yes,
Joy.
sulit talaga, guys. Ang pagpunta namin dito, guys.
Oh, yan. So, kita nyo, guys. Diba?